Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my hair so dry. It is so dry. Like, look at this. What is really going on? So yeah, I'm gonna do just a simple oil pre-poo, but this time, you guys, I know you can tell by the title, I got this new baby. Hold on, wait, hold on, I gotta unplug it. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. I got a new hair steamer. It's also a facial steamer as well. Oh, there's some stuff in here. But yeah, I have to clean it. Whatever, you know, I gotta clean it. But yeah, I am going to use this to steam my hair and pre-poo. I'm also going to use this to do my deep conditioning mask as well. It also comes with the hooded cover as well. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited to use this. And I'll definitely link this down below. I got it from Amazon, you guys. But I'll link it down below and I'll let you guys know all the little details and stuff like that. Anytime I talk, little man want to talk. I don't understand why. But I'm going to show you guys the steamer and stop talking. I'm going to fill it with some water, clean it, all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. So while I'm waiting on this to start up, I am going to, well, I've already sectioned off my hair, as you can tell. So I'm going to get one section and just lightly spritz it with some water just to start off. Oh, and this is the oil that I'm going to be using. I always use rosehip oil. Ooh, so I figured it out. Okay, okay. Ooh. Oh, my hair really needs this. When it comes to steaming, there are so many different benefits. Steaming really helps to add strength to your hair. It's going to help improve your scalp health. It's going to help reduce breakage. And it's also going to help your hair grow. If you have low porosity hair, adding a steamer into your hair routine is a must. Steaming really helps products penetrate into your hair strands. We all know that low porosity hair, your cuticles are closed. So we do have to use heat. We do have to work products in just so our cuticles can open up and allow the products to absorb into our hair. So adding steam is really going to help your cuticles open, and it's going to make it easier for the products to deposit into your strands. Steaming helps reduce breakage. Steaming alone is going to help your hair retain more moisture. So we all know that dry and brittle hair breaks off, but when you use a steaming treatment, it's going to help to retain the moisture more. The moisture is going to be locked in, and it's going to help reduce that breakage. Steaming also improves your scalp health. So when you add a steaming treatment to your hair routine, overall you're going to improve your scalp health. It's going to help to unclog your pores, and this is going to help encourage hair growth. When your pores are clogged, you're not allowing your hair to properly grow. So it's good to cleanse your hair once every week, but it's also good to use a steaming treatment weekly also to unclog your pores on top of washing your hair. It's also going to help break up the buildup on your scalp. It's also going to help stimulate blood flow so your scalp, which will help your hair grow.
got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
So I really just wanted to stop, take a minute, and actually look at my hair because wow, is all I can say. So one thing I did learn is that the more water you add, like the more water you spritz on your hair beforehand, the more juicier your curls are gonna look. Like, oh, my hair feels so soft. And this is just the pre-poo. This is just pre-pooing. Like, what? Okay, I'm gonna get back to steaming. Alright, as you can already tell, I am steaming as a pre-poo. So you can definitely steam after you cleanse your hair. I just decided to steam before just because I wanted to detangle my hair because my hair was so dry and I just did not want to go straight into shampooing and my hair looked the way it did. So you can also steam after you cleanse. I definitely do still steam my hair while I have my deep conditioner in, but I'll use the actual hooded part of this attachment to steam my hair while deep conditioning, and I'll show that in a little bit. But this is really a game changer. Steaming my hair has really helped retain my moisture, and we all know moisture is going to help your hair grow. So get you a steamer, steam weekly, and let me know how it does or how it works out for you. But I am all done steaming for the pre-poo portion. So I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm going to wash and condition my hair. And then I'm going to step out of the shower and deep condition. And I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But look at my curls. They are back. Look at this before and after. My curls or my hair was just gone, dry, disgusting, but now it's back. It's alive. Okay, so now we're going to shampoo. Be right back. Alright, you guys, I am done shampooing and conditioning. So now I just have my deep conditioner in my head. And as you can see, I'm sitting under the hooded portion of this hair steamer. So yeah, I do this for about 15 minutes and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was short, but I just wanted to quickly come on here and give you guys another tip to grow your hair, moisturize it, just steam. And if you have low porosity hair, if you're not steaming, like, what are you doing? Like, you need heat to open up your cuticles so your hair can grow, baby. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.